until, I don't think I learned until 7th or 8th grade, so.
I stopped learning because I kept falling off and getting hurt, and it would piss me.
No, you went and did it back to that left. I'm so glad, because I like Lisa. Mood.
I'm like, just let, like, yo.
Yeah.
If he needs anything, like, let me know. Like, I'll talk to you.
I don't know what the quickest way from here is to actually get out to Freeport Road. Or to get out to 28. Probably 16th Street Bridge, I guess.
Yeah. I'm so used to it.
Okay, come on. What are you doing? Me against myself, I feel like someone else. 'Cause I can't find my way back home and I don't wanna do it alone. It's me against myself and everybody else. 'Cause I can't face this on my own. Strange love, strange love.
Even heard of them, barely. So
Yeah.
they must not be that great.
Well, Huey's is more in Cleveland because they have two branches. Okay.
It's me whenever she dies. Like, put it in her will and everything. It's a stick shift. I'm like, I can barely drive. Freaking not stick shift. What are they doing over here?
Hmm?
What are
Digging up someone's front yard. Oh. Morgantown, I don't know how do you get to work normally?
My grandparents.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because this would be like, I know PA is not far, but I don't know if any of the small stores that are between here and... That's treadmill abuse. How West Virginia functions.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Because it's kind of run by a bunch of troglodytes. Absolute need. Whatever. And I walk him like, that nice guitar. Get that piano stuff down block, especially open for Joe Grishek and even going Irish. And he's like, what the fuck did you just say to me?